Our problem asks us to sketch the region corresponding to a 95% confidence interval. To do that, we're going to slide the arrows along the x-axis, which is really the z-scores for this problem. Notice they're only accurate to one decimal place, so that's important to know. We also need to use the drop-down menu to decide which area to shade. I'm going to start there and say I'm going between two values. My 95% confidence interval will have 5% left over that will be split equally on the right and the left. To find the z-scores that go along with this 95% confidence interval, I'm going to go to Minitab. In Minitab, I'm going to click Graph, Probability Distribution Plot, View Probability. It comes to a standard normal by default, so we're going to click Options and say we're looking for a specified probability, but instead of doing a middle, I'm going to hit equal tails. What I want to do is equally split the 5% that's left over from my 95%, so that 5% is 0.05. Let's click OK and OK. When the graph appears, you can see the 5% was split in two. 2.5% on the right, 2.5% on the left, and our z-score is 1.96 or a negative 1.96. So back to our problem, we're going to slide, and remember we can only do one decimal place, so we're going to just make that 2 and negative 2. Now we hit submit to see that we got it right.